What's up? How are you guys doing? We are back again and we are working on the Audi. And today, what we're gonna do is we have a turbo to do. Really.
It's 2 screws, you just remove them. Pretty straightforward. Usually when you're doing this, you have a drill, get it out faster. But I don't have one handy right now, so I just gotta manually remove it. So the next part is to undo this connector right here. The way that I do these connectors, I just pull up, push down, get it loose, and pull up, and just come out really easy. So that's out. What else I gotta get? Just gotta get everything off this intake manifold. I meant the air box. You gotta get everything off it and get it loose, because you're gonna take it completely out. And I have a hose, clamp pliers that I ordered from eBay, and it works really good to get these clamps off. So I'm gonna go grab it and take. So I went to go grab the hose pliers. It's right here. You could get it from eBay. It's a hose clamp pliers. It's really easy to use. So what you want to do, like usually you could use a pick and get it up, but I'm not gonna use one. Just make sure you don't damage anything. Here we got it. It's off right now. Like I told you guys, you just put the hose clamp on and you should be able to pry right up. Should be able to pry right up. It's really easy. $12. You could go ahead and pick one up from eBay. It's a great tool to have. Connector is pretty easy. You pull down on the pin like I showed you guys on the beginning. Push up first, pull down, then you pull out. So push the tab down, push up. Sorry, that was kind of tough to grab with one hand, but like I said, grab the connectors, push in, then you pull out to loosen it, and then you're gonna get this off right here. It's a flathead, but as you guys can see, got it, and now I'm loosening it. I don't know who worked on this car previously, but the clamp was already loose. Into the turbo, this was a freaking pain to get off, but they're both off so far, so I'm gonna just remove the clamp. All you have to do is remove the clamp and just use a pick and just pry it and just get it loose. So it should be a 16 or a 17, one of the above. So let's try a 16. No, 16 don't fit. 17. There we go. 17 fit. I know my GTI for sure. It's a 16 when I did my downpipe bolts, but fortunately Audi use a different size, which is a 17. So let's pop it loose. I swear, if you have power tools, it will be so faster than actually doing freaking this. Later. So I got this one and I got that one back there, if you guys could see it. That one right there. I got that bad boy right there, and this is the setup I'm using right now. But for the back one, it's really tough. I'm gonna show you guys how to get to it right now. It's a 6mm Allen to remove the heat shield. So it's removed now, and like I told you guys, these oh no, don't fall. These two are like an 18mm to remove those. So the heat shield is off right now. At first I was using the 732 metric Allen keys, but I kind of have the standard one. As you guys can see, as of right now, already got one of the banjo bolts off right here. I got this one off right here, and this one right here is for the top oil feed line. And the size that I use for it, I think it's a T50. Yeah, it's a T50, fit perfectly in there. The top one is a T50, and for this bottom one right here, it was really hard to get to. As you can see, I have a bucket catching the coolant, don't make it get in the environment. But it was extremely difficult. I kind of used a 5/16 Allen key, and I went up from the top right here, and I put it in, and then I just pinned it like that. So that's how I got it loose right there. It's really a difficult spot. So right now it's like finger loose, so I can finish taking it off with my finger. So this is where we're leaving off at. I lubricated everything, so tomorrow everything come off really easy. I'm kind of stuck on the back turbo bolt. I have no idea how to take that off, but we'll figure it out. Other than that though, it's going pretty smooth. Everything else is coming along very easy, and everything coming loose easily, so that's a plus. So I look goofy right now. That's where I'm stuck at right now. So we're gonna pause right there for today, and then we're gonna continue tomorrow. So make sure you guys like and subscribe.